See, to pass the transaction entries in GST, we have created a company as JK Enterprises and got ready the company for GST enable. So let us see which ledgers we have required for the purposes of entering the transactions. In the gateway of Tally, go to the master, account information, ledgers. See the ledgers which we have created here. Already I have created these ledgers which are required to complete the transaction. First is ABC Furniture, is our sundry debtor, then cash account, furniture account, goods account, input C GST means central GST, input I GST, input state GST, legal fees account. Neeraj Enterprises is our sundry debtor. Then office equipment account, it will come in, the group will be fixed asset. Output C GST, central GST, output integrated GST, output state GST account, profit and loss account, which is already by default comes in each and every company in Tally. Purchase account, under the group purchase account, purchase GST and purchase GST payable, this will be the group for this ledger. Purchase I GST, then Rajesh and Company from which we are going to purchase, then sales account, telephone exchange account and Union Bank account. Okay, these ledgers which we have required to complete the transactions. So let us get escape from this menu and come to the gateway of Tally main menu. Come into the accounting vouchers directly, press enter. Once again I am entering the purchase entry as a voucher, simply as a voucher. Supplier invoice number, purchase into bracket Rajesh and Company, voucher number, whatever the voucher number, date will be 4th April 2020. Then credit Rajesh and Company account, debit first, credit 1,16,000, enter, enter. Debit goes to purchase account. Simply after pressing the P, the list will appears at your right hand side at the top. Select the purchase account, 1 lakh, debit for 1 lakh, and input IGST, yes, 8,000. Again debit, input state GST, sorry, input CGST here, wrongly posted, input C GST 8,000, then input ES GST, state GST 8,000. Narration, if you want to make the narration, put the narration, then put here in the narration box, otherwise simply press enter. The total bill will be 1,16,000. 1 lakh is the purchase value of the goods and 8,000 will be the central GST tax and 8,000 also state GST tax, as they are set as a 8%. Accept it. So this entry completed. Now next entry, Mr. X sold the goods for rupees 1,50,000 in the same state. So how this can be entered? Again accounting vouchers, purchase, not purchase, this will be the sales voucher. Simply press on sales command, or by journal entry you may also enter this command, enter this transaction. Here parties account means Neeraj Enterprises. Neeraj Enterprises, the party to which we are going to sell our goods for 1,74,000 including the GST. Credit to sales account, sales account, goods sold for 1,50,000. Then to credit goes to again GST output, central GST output CGST 12,000, output SGST again 12,000. Total bill will be 1,74,000. Accept, yes. Then next entry, purchase furniture for office 12,000 rupees, 12,000. Again journal entry we are going to pass here. Furniture account, debit goes to furniture account 12,000. Again debit, tax account, input CGST, $960, sorry, okay, debit against yes GST, input yes GST 960, and credit goes to ABC Furniture Shop for 13,920 including the GST. Clear? Let us see, here the figures are tally. 13,920 including taxes. Actual cost of furniture is 12,000, and the two types of tax there, input central GST and input sale GST, which are debited by 960 rupees each. Enter, accept, yes. Clear? Any doubt to anybody?
No, sir.
You have to see that video time to time at how the entries has been done. Already we have learned all these things, how to create the ledgers. There is no need to tell you time frequently, because I have already shared some videos to you of each and every practical.
सर अटेंडेंस लिंक शेयर करा ना.
Okay, okay, wait for a short while.
सर
अजून काही ट्रान्झॅक्शन बाकी आहे देण्याचे? थांबा अजून. ठीक है.